Let's see what I can find in the creek today. First thing, this pretty red rock. A lot of clay down here, so it makes pretty rocks. Put it back. It belongs. I wonder if this log has anything. Just a slug. Some pretty flowers next to it. I think a poor baby bird fell in the lake or creek or something. Some shell and stuff. It's too late for me. This looks kind of cool. Let's wash it off. Definitely nothing crazy. Still pretty though. Copper's trying to come down and help, but he's not so sure how. Maybe just stay up there, bud. Goodness me. He's bitten off more than he can chew. He's not a quitter though. Ow. Good job. Okay, well, thanks for that. Well, he muddied up the water. I can't really see much. Look, there's a pretty little wing. Oh. Ow. Ow! Bro. Maybe there's a rock in there. Looks kind of pretty. Well, it's certainly a bit red. I finally see one! It's just sitting on the rocks. Cute. He knows he's been spotted. He's making a run for it. Bye. Hello. Good day to you, sir. Please don't jump into my coffee pot. I would die. Literally. I touched some stinging nettle. And it's stinging. Massive fungi. Holy moly. Climbed upon this tree. Climbed upon this tree. Not very sturdy. Was scared it was gonna break. That was fun. Have a good day.